In this presentation, we will be looking specifically at how pecuniary gifts and residue are dealt with in the administration of an estate. Pecuniary gifts. As we saw in a previous presentation, the nature of a general pecuniary gift, such as £5,000 to Mary, is that the gift itself provides no direction as to which assets in the estate are to pay the beneficiary. The will may contain a general direction as to the order in which assets are to be used to pay general pecuniary gifts, which the personal representatives must comply with. In the absence of any direction, assets must be taken in the statutory order discussed in an earlier presentation. Where a testator dies fully testate, as the will fully and successfully disposes of the residue, pecuniary gifts are payable out of the deceased's personalty, in other words, not houses and land. Example: Graham leaves a legacy to Andrew of £10,000, his residuary realty to Brian, and his residuary personalty to Christopher. Christopher's share of the residue will be used to pay the legacy to Andrew, and Brian's share will be unaffected. Pecuniary gifts could, however, be paid from realty instead, if the testator has specifically stated in the will that the payment of pecuniary legacies should be made from realty in the residue.